What's going on, guys? I know it's been a while since I've put up a video. I do have a little surprise for you, though. I went ahead and got actually two hobby boxes of 2013 Totally Certified and a hobby box of 2014 Rookies and Stars. I'll be busting those in the next couple days. It was a really good deal online, so I figured I'd go ahead and jump on it while I could. And actually get some, good content for you guys to throw up besides just retail breaks. So I am pretty excited to go ahead and bust this open. Comes with one rookie parallel and one autograph or mem card per pack. There are 6 packs per box, 5 cards per pack. So we're gonna get quite a few hits out of this, guys, and hopefully we can get something that's worth pulling. I've never opened a hobby box of Totally Certified before in my life. It's usually way out of my price range, but like I said, it was a good deal online, so you can't deny it. Let's see what we got here. It's a pretty cool looking box. So there's 6 packs per box. Ah, man, that's a cool, it's a cool box. I like that. I'm a fan. I will go ahead and stick it up in the background like that. And let's see what we can get out of this. This is 2013. So, let's see what we can pull. First card off the top is a Joe Flacco. We got a Jamal Charles and a Redemption. Certified Future Signature Materials, Tavon Austin. That's pretty cool. That's pretty nice. We have a Red Orange from the Thanksgiving game in 1931. And a freshman phenoms of Denard Robinson. Neither of those are numbered. It's pretty cool looking cards, though. So, sadly, we pulled a Redemption out of the first pack, but hopefully they'll still give me something. Len Dawson from the 68 Thanksgiving game. And Brandon Marshall from the 2011 Thanksgiving game. Freshman phenoms, DeAndre Hopkins, Anquan Boldin, and our first actual hit is going to be a Steve Johnson one-color patch, numbered 31 of 299. Too bad it wasn't 13. That would have been pretty cool. Alright. Alright, so that's just a decoy in that pack. I do believe. Alright. Sam Bradford. Dez Bryant. Freshman phenoms of Stephon Taylor. Not numbered. Barry Sanders, Thanksgiving game. And that's the auto. Drop the case. Alright. I gotta stop dropping the camera, huh, guys? Alright. Barry Sanders, Thanksgiving game. And the first auto, Tyler Bray, Freshman phenoms. Autograph. So not a bad auto to pull. Tyler Bray. That is numbered on the back. 429 of 499. Throwing that in the penny sleeve real quick. Alright. 3 packs left, halfway through the break. You know, instead of pushing the hits to the end, I'm just going to kind of do them as they come, instead of having to rearrange everything. Ben Roethlisberger. We have, ooh, wow, guys. Eddie Lacy, rookie, freshman fabric auto. It's a nice jumbo jersey right there with the autograph. And that is going to be numbered on the back. 235 out of 299. That was a nice pull, guys. Nice pull. You can't beat an Eddie Lacy jumbo auto. Get that in the penny sleeve. Look at that. Oh, I am a fan, guys. I am a fan. Anquan Boldin. Larry Kosnoka? I don't know. I wasn't born in 73, so these names are a little bit difficult for me. And Clyde Bulldog Turner from the 47 Thanksgiving game. I know I'm taking a little bit longer than usual to open these guys, but this is some of the higher end stuff I've opened, so I like to take my time and kind of enjoy it. I'm really hoping to get, you know, maybe like a Patriots hit or something. That would be really cool. But Brandon Marshall. And we have a Stitches in Time Adrian Peterson, Alfred Morris patch jersey dual. That's going to be numbered 209 of 299. Throw that in a penny sleeve. That's pretty cool. An AP patch there. I know someone that might be interested in that. Awesome. Alright. Moving on. Tony Dorsett, 83. Thanksgiving game. Jim Taylor, 61 Thanksgiving game. And a Chris Carter from the 98 Thanksgiving game. Alright, guys, last pack. See what we got. We have a Freshman Phenoms of Cordell Patterson. We have 95 Thanksgiving game of Troy Aikman. We got my man, Tom Brady. That's a nice one for the PC. Matthew Stafford, base. Ooh. Dre Kirkpatrick and Amoris Claiborne. Dual patch. That's a wicked nice patch right there for the Dre Kirkpatrick too. And that's going to be numbered on the back 25 of 25. That is a eBay 1 of 1, my friends. That's really nice. So, just to give you guys a quick recap here. Sorry, I'm putting them all in penny sleeves so they don't get damaged or anything like that. Just to give you guys a quick recap of what we have. We started off with the redemption, and that was a Tavon Austin certified future signature materials. So I think it's going to be like the second hit here, which was the Eddie Lacy. I believe that's the same type of deal, but with Tavon Austin, so that's going to be pretty cool too. The Eddie Lacy was numbered out of 299. We have the Tyler Bray rookie auto, freshman phenoms. That was numbered on the back of 499. We have the Stitches in Time AP Alfred Morris dual jersey. that was numbered out of 299 on the back. And then to end it, which is probably my favorite hit, was the Stitches in Time Morris Claiborne Dre Kirkpatrick dual jersey with that nice 3-color patch there for Dre Kirkpatrick, and that was numbered on the back of only 25 of 25. So thanks for watching, guys. Oh, I forgot about one. We have the Steve Johnson solid blue patch, numbered out of 299 on the back. I forgot about that one. So thanks for watching, guys. I do have one more box of this to break at some point, and then I also have a box of 2014 Rookies and Stars coming up as well. I hope you guys enjoy it, and I will see you guys next video.